Welcome back to our uKnowva HRMS tutorial series. In this video, we'll walk you through configuring exit letter settings, a key step in ensuring a smooth and professional offboarding process for departing employees. Let's get started. In the exit letter settings section, you'll see the question, do you want to use the default exit letter setting? This allows you to automatically generate exit letters when an employee completes their offboarding process. Let's explore the options. If the predefined exit letter template works for your organization, simply click Yes, use default settings. This is a quick way to proceed without making any changes. To customize the exit letter format and content, click Edit and proceed to click No, change settings. This allows you to tailor the exit letters to align with your organization's requirements. Let's break it down step by step. Start by defining the email subject for the relieving letter. The default template is Relieving Letter For, where the placeholder is dynamically replaced with the employee's name. You can modify this further to include additional details, such as the employee's position or department. For example, you could change it to Relieving Letter For. This ensures the subject is clear, professional, and tailored to your organization's requirements. Next, specify the recipients who will be automatically included in the CC and BCC fields of the relieving letter email. This ensures that key stakeholders, like HR managers or system administrators, are notified without manual input each time. Now, select the relieving letter template that defines the structure and wording of the letter. This template can include elements like the employee's tenure, reason for exit, and acknowledgments, tailored to reflect your organization's tone and policies. Once you've configured all the settings, click Confirm and proceed to save your changes. This ensures the exit communication process is consistent, personalized, and aligned with your company's standards. And that's it. You've successfully configured the exit letter settings in uKnowva HRMS. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.